morning, good afternoon, and good evening to all my viewers. Welcome to Parista Academics. Preparatory Examination Board. Okay, February 2020. Our last class, I think one topic about graphically have done, and in this class, as I mentioned in the last episode, that we'll discuss today statistics. As you see here, statistics exercise number 13.1 in your textbook and second question. Okay, yeah, first method we'll do it step deviation method. Okay guys, yeah, as I did ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ columns tables ಎಲ್ಲ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ as you see in the board. Yes, the question is and also as well as state level SSLC preparatory examination ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ for 3 marks. Two questions. One, yes, 30 and 31. First 31 ನೋಡೋಣ, because ಅದೇ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇದು ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 30 ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದು. Okay, 31 ನೋಡೋಣ. Question number 31 in your preparatory examination paper, that is February 2020. Step deviation method. The question is, see, the following distribution gives the daily income of 50 workers of a factory. Draw its more than type or give. Daily income in rupees. Number 13.1 in your textbook as NCERT 13.1. Second question. Step deviation method. This is nothing but a step deviation method. Yes. As daily wages 100 to 120, 120 to 140, 140 to 160, 160, 180, 180, 200. And number of workers, FI, that is frequency, number of workers 12, 12, 14, 14, 8, 8, and 6, and one more is 10. That's all. Question is done. These two questions ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ, correct? 100 to 120, 120 to 140, 140, 160, 160, 180, 180, 200. The frequencies, number of workers 12, 14, 8, 6, 10. Done. These ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಇವೆಲ್ಲ find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನಾವು. Yes, fine. We find out. Midpoint ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? Class mark. Class mark is nothing but denoted as xi midpoint. 100 to 120 midpoint ಯಾವುದು? 110. ಈ ಎರಡು ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದಿದೆ? 100, 110, 120. 110 is in the middle, so 110. 120, 130, 140. 130 is in the middle, right, as a midpoint. 140, 150, 160. 150 is midpoint. 160, 170, 180. 170 is midpoint. 180, 190, 140 to 160 is the midpoint is 150. 160 to 180 is the midpoint is 170, and 180 to 200 midpoint is 190. And di is equals to xi minus 150 ಅಂದ್ರೆ xi ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಮತ್ತೆ xi minus 150 minus 150 ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬಂತು ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ this is a mid range. Okay, ಈ mid range ನ ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. The question may be different, but ಎರಡು ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಮಧ್ಯೆ ಏನು ಒಂದು ನಂಬರ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, that is mid range. ಆ mid range ನಾನು di is equals to xi minus mid range ನ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Okay, 150. So 110 minus 150 is equals to minus 40. 130 minus 150 is equals to minus 20. 150 minus 150 is 0, and 170 minus 150 is equals to 20, and 190 minus 150 is equals to 40. Minus 40 minus 20, 0, 20, 40. Correct? Yes. The next is ui is equals to di by 20. di by 20. This is nothing but a formula. ಇದು ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ui is equals to di by 20 ಅನ್ನೋದು ಈ ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಇಯರ್ 9th ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಲ್ತಿರ್ತೀರಾ. You can just glance it. Okay, ui is equals to di by 20. ಏನು? Yes, what is di here? What is di? Yes, it is here. Minus 40 by 20 minus 20 by 20, 0 by 0, 20 by 0 by 20, 20 by 20 and 40 by 20. In answers get cancels. 2 ones are 2 twos are 2 ones are 2 twos are 4, minus 2 minus 1. Don't go wrong here. 20 by 20 is not 0, 20 by 20 is 1. Many of them will go wrong here. Okay, so be careful. And 0 by 20 is 0. Okay, 20 by 20 is 1. 40 yes, 40 by 20 is 40 by 20 is 2. Okay, minus 2 minus 1 0 1 2 is one the answer. Correct? So next, fi into ui. What is fi into ui? fi ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇದಿದೆ 12, ui is minus 2, 14 minus 1 ui answer. Okay, next fi ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು next 8 into 0, next 6 into 1, next 10 into 2. Answers ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 12 twos are 24 minus 24, 14 ones are 14 minus 14 minus 14, 8 zeros are 0, 6 ones are 6, 10 twos are 20. ಇದಿಷ್ಟು ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸಿಗ್ಮಾ fi into ui. Okay, sigma fi into ui. ಈ ಕಾಲಮ್ಗೆ ಸಿಗ್ಮಾ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್, ಇದಿಷ್ಟು ಸಮ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? ಮೈನಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಗೈಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆಗತ್ತೆ, minus 38 ಆಗತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಅಂಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇವೆರಡು ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 26 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇಂಟು ಮೈನಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್, ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ಸೈನ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಇದೆ, ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್. minus 12 ನೋಡಿ, ಮೈನಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ಸೈನ್ ಮೈನಸ್, ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 38, 24 plus 14 is 38 and 6 plus 20 is plus 26, plus into minus is minus, 38 minus 26 is 12, greater sign minus, minus 12. Okay, sigma fi ui. Okay, next step deviation method. ಇದಕ್ಕೊಂದು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಇದೆ. x bar is equals to a plus sigma into h. This is a formula for step deviation method. X bar is equals to a plus sigma fi ui divided by sigma fi into h. Okay, fi is the frequency. Okay, ಈಗ a ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? What is a? Assumed mean ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಡಿ ನೀವು. Assumed mean. A is assumed mean. Fi, sigma fi is frequency. H is size of class interval, size of class interval. Okay, ಇದಿಷ್ಟು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು. H is size of class interval, and here this is nothing but frequency. Okay, frequency. ನಾವು ಬಂದಿರುವಂತ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ -12/50 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ -24 ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂಡ್ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 5 ಈ 5 ಹಂಗೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಓಕೆ ಸೊ x bar is equals to 150 into 5 150 into 5 is nothing but look after here 150 into 5 is nothing but 750 plus into minus -24 x bar is equal to 750 minus 24 is 726 divided by 5 yes 726 divided by 5 is nothing but 145.20 145.20 is answer 126 by 5 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 145.20 will be the answer. So the final answer, hence the mean of workers of factory is equals to rupees 145.20 will be the final answer. I'll explain glance you. Okay. Daily wages ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ, number of workers FI ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ, daily wages ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು 100 to 120, 120 to 140, 140 to 160, 160 to 180, 180 to 200. And number of workers FI frequency 12, 14, 8, 6, 10. Okay. So ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಮಿಡ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಯಾವ್ದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಡೈಲಿ ವೇಜಸ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಇಂಟರ್ವಲ್ ಅಂತಾನು ಅಂತಾರೆ ಇದನ್ನ ಡೈಲಿ ವೇಜಸ್. ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗಬೇಡಿ. ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಇಂಟರ್ವಲ್ ಇಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಡೈಲಿ ವೇಜಸ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಇಂಟರ್ವಲ್. Number of workers is nothing but frequency is nothing but number of workers. Okay. So midpoint class mark ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು xi is nothing but a class mark. So this is a midpoint ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬೇಕು. 110 will be midpoint, 120 130 140 ಅಲ್ಲಿ 130 will be midpoint, 140 150 160 ಅಲ್ಲಿ 150 will be midpoint, 160 170 180 ಅಲ್ಲಿ 170 will be midpoint, 180 190 and 200 ಅಲ್ಲಿ 190 will be midpoint. ಇದು 150 ಅನ್ನೋದು ನಮಗೆ ಮಿಡ್ ರೇಂಜ್ ಅಂತಾರೆ. ಏನಂತಾರೆ? this is nothing but as mid range or yes mid range ಅಂತಾರೆ or assumed mean ಅಂತ ಅಂತಾರೆ. Okay, assumed mean ಅಂತ ಅಂತಾರೆ. So next di is equals to xi minus 150 ಏಕ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂತು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಈ assumed mean ನಾನು minus 150 xi minus assumed mean. di is equals to xi minus assumed mean. Class mark minus assumed mean di. Okay, 110 minus 150 is equals to minus 40, 130 minus 150 is equals to minus 20, 150 minus 150 is equals to 0, 170 minus 150 is equals to 20. Yes, 190 minus 150 is equals to 40. Minus 40 minus 20, 0, 20, 40. Next, ui is equals to di minus 20. di by 20 ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ this is ಅದು past like 9th standard ನೀವು glance ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀರಾ. ui is equals to di by 20. This is a formula. Okay, minus 40 di ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇದು. Okay, see this is nothing but di ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ ನಿಮಗೆ -40 -20 0 20 and 40 ಅದನ್ನ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳಿ di and divided by 20 as it is for everything. -2 ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ, -1 and 0 1 2. Okay, just keep it as it is. Fi into ui, frequency into ui. Yes, frequency illiде 12 minus 12 ui illiದೆ. ui ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು -2 ಹಂಗೆ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. 14 minus 20 minus 1 8 minus 0 8 0 6 into 2. Okay, 6 into 1 10 into 2 minus 24 minus 14 0 6 20 group ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. minus into minus plus greater sign is minus, so minus 38 0 as it is ಹಂಗೆ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಡಿ. 6 plus 20 is plus 26 plus into minus 38 minus 26 is 12. greater sign ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕಿದೆ? minus 38 ಇದೆ. minus 38 minus greater sign minus ಹಾಕ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Okay, next we have a formula for step deviation method, that is x bar is equal to a plus sigma fi into ui divided by sigma fi into h. Okay, So what is A? Assumed mean. H is size of class interval, and sigma Fi is sum of frequency. Sum of frequency. Yes. Sigma bar. Calculation part ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನಾನು. Sigma bar is equals to 150 plus minus 12 by 50 into h. H ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ, height ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ. So just size of class interval ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ, just leave that. 150 ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬಂತು? Assumed mean is 150, so 150 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ plus sigma Fi ui. Sum already ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. Sum of Fi ui is minus 12 and divided by sigma Fi. ಇದಿಷ್ಟು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 50 ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ. Sum of Fi is 50. Sigma bar, sorry, x bar is equals to 150 plus minus 24 ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬಂತು? Divide ಮಾಡಿ minus 12 by 50 divided by 5. LCM ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. 150 by 1 plus into minus 24 by 5. 170 is 150 into 5. Cross multiplication ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ LCM ತಗೊಂಡು 150 into 5 plus into minus minus 24. 150 into 5 is 750 minus 24 divided by 5 for LCM. LCM ನಂಗೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ denominator. So that is equal to x bar is equals to 726. 750 minus 24 is 726 divided by 5 is equals to 142.20 rupees. 142.20 will 145.20 will be the final answer. Hence the mean daily wages of workers of factory is equal to rupees 145.20 will be the final answer. So thank you guys, thank you for watching my episode, and also and then in next episode the same way I'll teach the statistics itself in a different way, and this is a step deviation method for the first step, and the second step will go on to the median to find the median. Okay, we'll go for that, and until, thank you, and be watching my videos, my 10th standard SNC videos for 10th standard students.